How to start a poultry farm business at home. To make a poultry farm, first, we have to make arrangements for the place. For the chickens to stay where there is a well-drained water. The place should be airy. And the place should be clean. It is very important for the health of the chickens to provide water and food. To keep chickens healthy, lay the finely ground piece of wood under these. Baby with eggs is extracted in two ways, a natural way and a mechanical method. The right weather to leave chickens is the summer. To protect the chicks from disease, it is very important to have protected vaccines. Should the first vaccine be taken for a few days? After that, one vaccine should be put in every month. A house can also be used for poultry farm. The window must be in the poultry farm. Windows is about 5 feet high from the ground. It is imperative to arrange food and water. The room should be where air and light both come. In this way, you can earn a lot of money by making a poultry farm, that too in the house. You can also do this business as the part-time job. Be happy and earn money.